Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about addition. Addition is a very important word in math. Let's discover what it means together. Addition means putting things together. When we add, we take one group of things and join it with another group. This helps us find out how many we have in total. Addition is about joining numbers. When we add numbers, we combine them to get a bigger number. It's like bringing friends together to make a bigger group. We use a special symbol for addition. It is called the plus sign. It looks like this, plus. When you see this sign, it means you need to add the numbers together. Let me show you how we write addition. We write one number, then the plus sign, then another number, and then an equals sign. After the equals sign, we write the total. This is the answer we get when we add. Here is a simple example. 2 plus 3. Imagine you have 2 stars and then you get 3 more stars. When you count all the stars together, you have 5 stars. We can add small numbers easily. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. These are simple additions we can do every day. When we add, we count all the objects together. We don't count them separately anymore. We put them in one group and count the total number. This gives us our answer. Addition is everywhere around us. We use it when we shop, when we count fruits, and when we play with toys. It is a part of our daily life. Let's look at an example with fruits. If you have 3 apples and someone gives you 2 more apples, you now have 5 apples. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Here is another example with toys. You have 1 ball and your friend gives you 4 more balls. Now you have 5 balls in total. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We can even use our fingers to add. If you hold up 2 fingers on one hand and 3 fingers on the other hand, you have 5 fingers in total. 2 plus 3 equals 5. There are some important words we use with addition. The word add means to put together. Plus is another word for add. Sum is the answer we get. And total means the final number after adding. What is a sum? A sum is the answer we get when we add numbers together. For example, in 2 plus 3 equals 5, the number 5 is the sum. Addition is used in math all the time. It is a basic skill that helps us solve many problems. We need to learn addition to do well in math. Let's learn the steps to solve addition. Step 1. Write down the numbers you want to add. Make sure you can see them clearly. Step 2. Add the numbers together. You can count on your fingers, use objects, or just think in your mind. Step 3. Find the total. This is your answer. Write it down after the equals sign. This number tells you how many you have altogether. Here is another example. 4 plus 5 equals 9. If you have 4 oranges and you get 5 more oranges, you will have 9 oranges in total. Let's try more examples. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Practice these to get better at addition. Now it's practice time. Try to solve this problem. 2 plus 4 equals what? Think about it and find the answer. Let's check your answer. 2 plus 4 equals 6. If you got this right, well done. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing and you will improve. Here is something interesting. When you add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. For example, 5 plus 0 equals 5. 0 does not change the number. When you add 1 to any number, you get the next number. For example, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Adding 1 just moves you to the next number. You can use your fingers to help you add. Hold up the first number of fingers, then hold up the second number of fingers. Count all the fingers together to find your answer. Addition helps us solve real problems. We use it to count money when we buy things. We use it to share food with friends. We also use it when we measure things. Addition is very useful. Here is a fun game idea. You can practice addition by adding toys or snacks. Take some objects, split them into 2 groups, and then add them together. This makes learning fun. Remember these helpful tips. Start with small numbers. Use objects like toys or fruits to help you count. And always count carefully to get the right answer. Let's recap what we learned. Addition means putting numbers together to get a total. We use the plus sign to show addition. And the answer we get is called the sum. Keep practicing addition every day. The more you practice, the better you will become. Don't give up. You can do it. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about addition. Keep practicing and have fun with math.